In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract email addresses from mail folders in Outlook. We'll use Outlook's built-in export tool to pull addresses from a specific mail folder and place them into a CSV file you can open and clean in Excel or Notepad. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app and make sure the mail folder you want to work with, such as inbox or sent items, is visible and accessible. Click to select the exact folder that contains the emails you want to extract addresses from. Choosing it now ensures the export targets only that folder and not your entire mailbox. Go to the top left and select File, then open Export, and choose Import Export. In the wizard that appears, pick Export to a file, and select comma-separated values. CSV is ideal because it opens easily in spreadsheet tools and keeps fields simple to manage. Click Next. Confirm the folder you want to export from. If you need just one folder, keep it selected. This will help avoid pulling extra content. Click Next, then browse to choose where to save the file and give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Click OK to confirm the location. Before finishing, click Map Custom Fields. This step is important because it tells Outlook exactly which pieces of data to include. Click Clear Map to remove the default selections. On the left, find and drag these fields to the right panel, from Address to Address, CC Address, and BCC Address. The address versions capture the email addresses themselves rather than just display names. When everything looks correct, click OK, then Finish to start the export. If your folder is large, give it a moment to complete. Open the resulting CSV file in Excel or Notepad to review the addresses. In Excel, you can use sorting and filtering to quickly scan the data. To clean the list, remove duplicates so each address appears only once. The Remove Duplicates tool on the Data tab makes this fast, or you can use formulas if you prefer. Also watch for blank cells and extra spaces. A quick trim or filter cleanup helps. Keep in mind that BCC addresses will only appear for messages you sent. You won't see BCC for messages you receive. If some entries show only names, double-check that you map the address fields during export. When you're done, save your clean CSV. Use the list responsibly and follow your organization's policies and privacy guidelines. Thanks for watching.